All right, guys, we are back, and in this quick video, we are going to discuss about a very own and new software which is very much helpful for affiliate marketers just like you and me, and also it is helpful for all those business owners who are running their business online and are looking forward for a all-in-one software which can do everything for them and within just a few bucks. All right, so now without wasting any much of our time, let's get started and let's discuss about this special software and special tool for business owners which can multiply your success not only in terms of the technology but also in terms of the revenue and sales. Okay, so now let me tell you what this all-in-one automated system for marketing is all about. Okay, so the name of the software is system.io, as you can see, and it is just to automate your marketing. And what I can say is it is the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform, and you will get lifetime access to this software, you can say a tool, for 100% free, and it is of course free forever and no credit card is required to use this software. And it has various features like as email marketing. You can do this from this software with no extra cost, means it is totally free. And also you can host your own online courses. If you are a course creator, then it is going to be very beneficial for you, right? So you can host your online courses, you can also create your sales funnel, you can create website. There is a very much easy editor that you can use, and you can also create your own website. So before we go and explore each and everything inside this, let me just show you what this tool can do much more for you to grow your online business. Okay, and you can definitely create a free account, and it is very easy to create a free account on this. I have given you the link in the description of this video, and when you will click the link in the description of this video, then not only you will be able to create a free account, but also I will give you 20 sources of passive income which you can use for yourself and can make big money online up to lifetime. So if you want to get those 20 sources of passive income, then definitely you should click the link given below in the description of this video and sign up right now. I am showing you the process which will open after clicking the link. So when you will click the link given in the description of this video, then you will reach this page. So you have to enter a valid email address over here and you have to just click here. As soon as you will click it, and you will receive a confirmation email, you have to confirm it and you will be able to log in into your account. Okay, you have to just create a simple password for you that you can remember, and in just a few 1 or 2 minutes you will be able to log into your account. So now let me just show you why you should use this world's easiest and all-in-one marketing platform. Why? Number one, it is free forever. Okay, which is no other software in the market, and other software are charging $197, $97, even $297 per month, okay, to use these features. But here you can start your business for free and no credit card is required over here. Okay, so why system.io? It has various features. Okay, let me just show you what you can do over here. You can just create your sales funnels, right? It has been trusted by 3 lakh entrepreneurs, and here you can see you can always create the squeeze page, the sales page, the payment page, and the upsell pages, also downsell pages, etc. There are so many things that you can create. Means full sales funnel can be created, and there are already various templates given inside this software, and it replaces the MailChimp, Active Campaign, ConvertKit, Aweber. Okay, and you can also send the marketing emails, which is very easy, and I love the interface. It is very easy. Here you can see it is very easy. Okay, any newbie who don't know how to do email marketing still can just drag and drop these things and can send emails very easily. Okay, and also here you can see you can easily create your website. Here no need to install the WordPress or any other software, any other you can say the tool. Just drag and drop system is here, and it has much more customizations as compared to WordPress. Okay, so if you have to change the color, you can change the color of any one part within just few seconds. So I like this feature of this website builder. Okay, in WordPress you have to write some code. For example, if I have to change the color of this website from blue to red, then I will have to write a code in WordPress. But in this System.io software, if I want to change the color, then you have to just select it, and above you will find a color palette just like this, and you can select any color and it will be changed instantly. So this is the best feature I like, and also all other features are much more easier than the WordPress site. Okay, so also you can create your own affiliate program if you are a business owner, and if you want to get some referrals through the members who are already present in your system, then you can also run your own affiliate program. Here it will take care of each of those things which you need to take care of in other software, so you don't have to pay any fees to any other software. Okay, so you can manage all the leads, the revenues, and the earnings, how much you have paid, how much they have earned. Each and everything will be shown in this dashboard. So this special dashboard is also given for this purpose. You can also host your online courses. It is especially for those who are willing to launch online courses and want to make some great passive income through online courses and coaching programs. So I have also hosted all my coaching programs on this software because I love the simplicity and I love the interface also. It is very quick and easy, and the best thing is the servers are so fast that even just in a few clicks you can set up everything. You can set up your whole online school and you can run online courses very easily. And yes, it definitely replaces Teachable, Podia, Thinkific and Kartra. Earlier I was using Teachable, but I have shifted from Teachable to System.io. I have also tried Thinkific and Kartra. All those are highly costly platforms, and that's why, because of that high cost, I switched myself to this System.io, and it is very friendly, and it is very much cheap as compared to all those, and also it has facility to create courses. You can also duplicate the courses, and it will make your system very easy because you will also get the templates already provided for you. You have to just select and upload the video. Okay, it also has an inbuilt video player, you can say basic HTML video player, so no need to get another hosting for video also. And the greatest part is integration. So here you can also do the integration and the automation of your marketing. Everything is integrated into a single platform, and many repetitive operations can be done on automation. For example, if someone is coming into your course or someone is purchasing your product, then you can add them a tag. As soon as you add a tag, then you can create an automated campaign which will send them an automated emails. And also on the basis of clicks, if someone is clicking your link or not, if yes, then you can also send another email, then you can add another tag. And also if the person is not clicking, then you can send another email. So this whole lot of automation is possible, and most of the sales will be coming through this automation. So if you are good in creating those email sequences, like as you can see over here, this is one email, second email, and here other emails are also there. So it will be very easy for you to automate and integrate your whole process with this system, and you can, on automation, you can earn much more money. All right. And yes, no technical knowledge is required to build an online business. It is highly useful for course creators, it is highly useful for freelancers, for affiliate marketers, for consultants, for small business owners. So if you are someone who is looking forward to get all-in-one platform, and I'm definitely sure you will like it, for 100% sure. And let us just compare with other services that you are going to use for your online business if you don't take this software. Okay, let's just compare. So you can save at least $320 per month, and to build an online business you need all these things. Number one is funnel builder, it starts at $97 per month. A email marketing software, it starts at $20 per month. Online course builder starts at $99 per month. Affiliate program, it starts at $97 per month. And for video hosting, you have to take services like as for Vimeo or any other platform, so minimum would be $7 per month. But all these things you are getting for 100% free in this software. So that's why I'm saying you are saving a lot money, and all these things will be done in this same software itself, and will be and without paying anything. So it is all free to start your online business. Building process is very simple, smooth, and also they have a support team that will help you. So it is free forever and no credit card is required, and I will highly recommend you to join this platform. Even if you are an affiliate marketer or you are just a newbie, no matter if you already have some experience or not, or you are using any other software which we have mentioned, if you are using any other software for these services, then I will recommend you to leave all those services instantly and just switch to this platform which is called as Systeme.io, and I'm sure you will definitely like it. And if you will click on the link given in the description of this video, then I will send you a course which will teach you how to create 20 sources of passive income for free. So just click the link in the description and sign up right now, create your free account, and as soon as you create your free account, I will get a notification of this, and I have already set up this automation, this type of automation. As soon as you sign up, then you will be automatically be receiving an email from my side to access that 20 sources of passive income course for 100% free. All right, so if you are ready to build a passive income online business, and if you want to make 20 sources for yourself also to achieve financial freedom, then just use this software. Link is already given, and I think it is enough for you to start online business. And in between, if you face any problem, then you can always contact me, or you can also contact our support team on the email address given below in the description of this video. Okay, so I hope you must have got huge value from this video, and I hope you will definitely be switching to this all-in-one software which replaces the ClickFunnels and first promoters for affiliates, for managing your affiliates, and also other platforms like as WordPress. All it replaces all those Teachable, Thinkific, and other LMSs, and also it will replace all these high paying softwares to start an online business. Okay, so I think everything is good to go. It is very cheap, you can start for free, and if you have more than number of subscribers or contacts in your list, then you can just increase, you can just upgrade to another plan. You can just check out the pricing, but let me just show you what are the some main features that you can use. And this is the dashboard. You can create sales funnels, you can do email marketing, you can send unlimited emails for free, you can also create email campaigns, you can create website, you can use website builder, you have a affiliate program management, you can do full business on automation, you can also run evergreen webinars, you can host your online courses, you can do the blogging, and you can sell your own products. If you are selling, if you are a drop shipper, if you are a course creator, then you can also do that in a very easy way. I'm doing the same. Okay, so this is the best platform I have ever came to know, and I wish if I have found such platform earlier, then I would have saved a lot of money earlier. But now I do not want you to test and try anything. You have to just use this free software, and I hope it will definitely meet all your requirements and will help you to grow your business online in a very easy and smooth way. Okay, so now with all that being said, I will meet you in next video. Till then, take care, be happy, bye, keep earning while learning. All the best. And one last thing I would say is stop using a different tool for every part of your online business, and just use Systeme.io for easy and smooth operations at one place of your business. Okay, all the best, meet you in the next video. Bye for now.